In early 2020, New York City became ground zero for the COVID-19 pandemic, a place where fear and confusion reigned as hospitals began to overflow. Frontline workers faced unprecedented challenges, battling exhaustion and fear while risking their lives to save others. As the pandemic progressed, small businesses struggled to survive, facing closures and uncertainty. The pandemic brought unimaginable loss, leaving families grappling with grief and isolation. The pandemic triggered societal changes, with a notable rise in social activism and mental health awareness. As vaccines become available, communities come together, showcasing resilience and hope for the future.